Hello and welcome back to the RecordsKeeper.AI tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to walk through an amazing feature, digital signing. If you want to digitally sign a document or send a document to someone else for signing, this feature is essential. It allows you and others to sign documents easily and securely. No printing or scanning needed. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the sidebar menu, click on the digital sign feature and then go to All Documents. Here you'll see an overview of your digital signing activity. This includes the number of documents completed, actions required, cancellations, pending signatures, documents expiring soon, and available templates. To start signing a document, click on the New Document button. Here, enter a name such as NDA document for developers. Next, select a template if you have one. This step is optional. Then set an expiry date. Click Next. Now upload the document you want to sign. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to add fields such as text, date, image, and signature boxes. Place the signature field where it needs to be signed, then click Next. In step 2, assign the parties who need to sign the document. Enter their name, email ID, and due date. If you're the only signer, you can check the I am the signer option and your information will be auto-simpled. Click Preview to review everything. After sending the document, you can track its status in real time. The dashboard will show whether it's awaiting completed, rejected, or failed, along with the list of signers and their signing status. Click on the document name to view the full details of the document signing, including who has signed and who has not. This digital sign feature eliminates paperwork, delays, and confusion, making your workflow smooth and efficient. Try it out today with a 3-day free trial. No credit card required. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.